Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all well and you're having a great day. If you're new around here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood and a little bit of everything really. So if that's your vibe, please hit on the subscribe button somewhere down here. I would love to have you on board. So today's video is going to be a CHERRYZ haul. CHERRYZ have kindly gifted me a £30 voucher to shop on their app. And it's been absolutely amazing. Now, £30 goes a long way on CHERRYZ because CHERRYZ is kind of like all your budget stores, Poundland, B&M, Home Bargains, all rolled into one. But the best bit is that you order everything online using their app and the items are delivered directly to your door in a couple of days. And in the current situation, the current climate that we're all going through, COVID-19, the pandemic, we are currently in lockdown number 3 here in the UK. I know for a lot of people it can be quite difficult to pop out to the shops to get your essentials, and this is where CHERRYZ comes in because all your items online using the app and it's delivered right to your home. Amazing, fantastic. So if you can't do it yourself, you can get one of your friends or your loved ones to do it for you and order will be delivered to your homes. They've also kindly given me a discount code to share with you guys, so you can actually pop onto the app, make your first order, and you will actually get 20% off your first order using the app. Isn't that amazing? So amazing. So I've got all the goodies here in this box. Yes, lovely box. CHERRYZ. Yeah, I've got all of the items here that I've ordered in the box. It's come with all this packaging as well, which is recyclable. So I will actually recycle it. I'll probably use it to wrap some crockery that I'm going to put up in the loft, or you know, I'll use it for something. Let's get rid of that for now. So what's in the box? So it's absolutely fantastic because in here I've got a variety. Because on the CHERRYZ app you can find cleaning products, you can find homeware, you can find children's toys, colouring books, all that kind of thing and more. So it's absolutely amazing. You have to go onto the app and then scroll through. The CHERRYZ app is very user friendly. You know, you can scroll through. There's got like a grid. It looks very similar to what you will sort of get on Instagram. So you've got like the grid and you can go through all the categories, you know. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so let me show you what I've got in this box. What's in the box? What can it be? Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you is something that I got from CHERRYZ on my last CHERRYZ haul, and I've gotten so well with it. Well, all of us, the whole family, got on well with it. And it's this oatmeal soothing bath soak. Absolutely amazing this is. So what you get in here, you get 4 sachets. Just pop a sachet into the bath and just have a nice soak with that. It leaves your skin feeling nice and soft and also revived, you know. Love this. So I will put the prices up in the corner just here so you can see the prices. You can also go onto the CHERRYZ app and have a look at all the prices there as well. All the prices are nice and clear on the app as well. So that's my first item. Okay, so next up, as you probably know from my channel and the cleaning products that I absolutely love, I absolutely love Astonish products. Now, when I saw this on the CHERRYZ, I just had to get it and give it a try. So this is the Astonish Zesty Lemon Concentrated Disinfectant. So this is the Astonish version of Soflora. And I've got quite a big bottle of it. This is 500 ml. It's a 500 ml bottle. Let me see how it smells. Oh my goodness. That smells absolutely gorgeous. It's got that lemony zesty smell, which is so refreshing. I love that. Okay, so next up, I also got some of this Cif cream. I don't know why it says new on it because Cif is not really new. Maybe it's a new formula. I'm not sure, but it says new on it. This is the Cif cream with the micro crystals in it as well. Absolutely love this product as well. You know, if you saw my video last week where I did a collab with a group of other YouTubers, we showed our favourite cleaning products. And this is on my list of one of my favourites as well. So I've got that also from CHERRYZ. Okay, so next up, another product from Astonish. I must say, CHERRYZ do actually hold a lot of Astonish products, which I absolutely love them for. I do love Astonish products. Astonish products are vegan friendly, cruelty free, and you know, they go a long way for the price that you pay for them. So I might do another video actually just on Astonish products alone because I have got quite a few Astonish products and as you can tell, I absolutely love them. But going back to this is Astonish Power Clean Toilet Bow Tabs. So I think this is going to be one of my favourites also from Astonish. So I've got that as well. Also got some of these Dishmatic refills. I've got the Dishmatic one downstairs and my refills are starting to see better days, so I thought I'd better order these as well. Yeah, so you get a pack of 3 refills there, and I think these were £1 or £1.10 or something like that. But like I said, I'll put all the prices up here for you to have a look as well. So I've got those. Okay, so next up are these tie handle pedal bin liners. These have a fragrance of, I think these are the fragrance one. Yeah, so it's got the fragrance of fresh linen. It smells really nice actually. Get 40 pedal bin liners there, and it's a tie string one, so I've got those. Okay, so next up was something a bit random. I saw this in the craft section, like the DIY kind of section, and it's this transfer paper. So this transfer paper, you get a pack of 2 A4 transfer papers. You can actually use a transfer paper to transfer onto t-shirts or fabric, and you can just use your domestic iron on that as well. Yes, I thought I'd give those a try. Okay, so I also got a pack of these bathroom surface wipes. Now, I've never used the bathroom surface wipes before. I always just use the regular kitchen wipes, the lemon scented ones. But I saw these and I thought, you know, give them a try. Now, the scent, it doesn't say what scent they are, but they have a nice, pleasant, refreshing, lemony, floral kind of scent, which is absolutely gorgeous. You get 70 wipes in there. You know, all the wipes, they kill 99.9% of bacteria. It says it's ideal for basins and showers as well. So yeah, I thought I'd give those a try. Next up, I got some of these toilet blocks. So this is the Citrus Sparkle ones. I normally get the Aldi's versions of these, but because I saw them on the CHERRYZ app, I thought, again, why not give them a try? Got that as well. Okay, so next up I picked up this, a sink refresher. Helps remove unwanted odours from stainless steel and ceramic sinks. So you get a pack of 3, oh my god, I just opened it. They smell absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so you get a pack of 3 sink fresheners. I'll definitely give those a try, so I've got those. I'll let you know how I get on with these products. If you've tried any of these products yourself, please leave a comment down below how you got on with them, especially this one, because I haven't actually used this one before and I haven't actually seen this one before. So yeah, so I've got that. Okay, so next up, this is also something that I purchased in my last CHERRYZ haul, and we got on really well with them. So what it is the Beanies flavoured coffee sticks. You get 12 flavoured coffee sticks in the box. Amaretto almond, Irish coffee, creamy caramel, chocolate orange, cookie dough, coconut delight, double chocolate, gingerbread, nutty hazelnut, very vanilla, mint chocolate, cinnamon hazelnut. You know, a whole variety. This is what I've done. I just emptied them out. I've got them in a little glass by a kettle. You can just pick one out randomly and have a nice flavoured coffee, you know. Yeah, so we got these as well, and these are actually £2. Okay, so next up I got some body care products, a few different body care products. Picked up this Bio Glow natural inspired aloe vera, vitamin E and B5 moisturising cream. So again, I haven't actually tried this product before, but I did also order the hand cream. Now this hand cream is absolutely gorgeous. Poundland used to have this like last year, early last year, and they stopped selling it, but I was so happy to find it on CHERRYZ. This is the olive oil hand cream. It's just so gorgeous. It leaves your hands feeling nice and soft. I'm not even kidding you, just in a little bit. So, you know, with all the pandemic, washing your hands, constantly washing your hands get dry. This is an amazing product, so I was so glad to find it on CHERRYZ. So I got both of those. And I also got some of this Radox shower gel. This is the Radox shower gel with sea salt and lemongrass. I've got that as well. I also picked up another one of these. Now, we got on so well with this Vaseline Intensive Advanced Repair. Absolutely amazing. Now, sometimes, every now and again, I get sort of dry elbows. So I'll just put some of this on there. Oops. I'll just put a little bit of this on my elbows. You know, use it all over my body, really. And it's just an amazing product. It's not oily. It just leaves your skin, again, feeling nice and soft and moisturized. You know, we also have the cocoa butter one and I think an aloe vera one as well, but I just went for the same one as we had before. Absolutely love this product. Okay, so next up I got a couple of teas as well. This is Lloyd the Magic Experience. So this one is cranberry and raspberry. Then I also got the Manuka honey with cranberry and ginger, and I must say I have actually opened these already and they taste absolutely gorgeous. I'll make it hot, make it simmer down and drink it kind of like lukewarm. These are really nice herbal teas. I think these were like £1 each, but again I'll put the prices up in the corner there for you guys to see as well. So next up I did actually pick up some chocolates as well. and I'm surprised that they're still in the box because I was very tempted to open these, you know. We've got a pack of 4 Cadbury's flakes, and also a pack of these three Turkish delights, fries Turkish delights. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so next up I got this Astonish floor cleaner, the zesty lemon one. So you get 1 litre of zesty lemon floor cleaner. I absolutely love this product, so I've got that as well. Also got some Domestos bleach. Also got some of this Valcal lime scale remover. This is the one with the Febreze in, and I absolutely love this product. You would have seen that this made the list of my favourite cleaning products on my cleaning product video that I did last week. And I did say that I use it in the shower on the shower screen, and it works amazing on there. It works on the taps, you know, you can put it on the taps, on your shower head, on your, you know, the shower screen like I mentioned before. You know, you can use it for stubborn stains and cleaning. So I've got that there as well. I also got one of these foot pills. This is the tea tree and peppermint foot pill. Absolutely amazing product. This is one of my go-tos for DIY pampering. You know, it works absolutely amazing. So I've got one of those. Okay, so lastly, CHERRYZ also do a bit of clothing for children. You know, I think they do like socks and that for adults as well. And I saw this little Oakley. He's going to absolutely love it. Transformers pajamas. Now, I did get it in a big size because the other sizes were out of stock. But I got it in a size 7 to 8. I just thought you can just grow into it, and I just absolutely love it myself. So you got the Transformers top there, featuring Bumblebee, Optimus Prime. A few of the other ones, I don't know their names, I'll have to ask Oakley. The trousers as well are really nice and soft material. Nice soft material with the Transformers logo at the bottom there. Really, really nice. And I can tell you that this was £8. So I thought £8 for a long sleeve pajamas, absolutely amazing. 100% cotton as well for £8. You really can't go wrong. Yeah, like I said, you can actually find some random items as well on the CHERRYZ app. So go ahead and download the app. Don't forget, you've got a discount code, which is Amanda20, which gives you 20% off your first order on the CHERRYZ app. So, you know, 20% of your first order. You can get this for like £6, you know, which is absolutely amazing. So that's my last item, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know which was your favourite item from this haul. I kind of went onto the app and I looked at items that I'm going to use and what I need, you know, in the next couple of weeks to use. You know, because like I said, we are in lockdown here for the 3rd time in the UK. And no one knows what's going to happen. So I'm well stocked up on cleaning products. I have actually got a Poundland haul coming up very soon, which I've picked up a few other amazing homeware items. So stay tuned for that. Also, I've got an Aldi haul coming up with some homeware as well. Lots of amazing content coming your way, so stay tuned for that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming content. So share the love, guys. Stay safe, keep well, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.